Hello, fourth grade Fraser friends. This is Miss Mills. I wanted to do a little quick video to go over this assignment. You might remember a similar assignment or a few similar assignments that we had a few weeks back because it all has to do with central idea and supporting ideas and supporting details. So what you're going to be doing today is completing this form and reading this passage. I'm going to go ahead and read it to you so that you can refer to it, this video, should you need it. But I also wanted to let you know how to take this test. So, for example, we're going to read this passage together. Then you're going to answer the question. The question is, which of the following best identifies the main idea of this passage? So you would read the answer choices and choose one here. Then down here, it says place a check mark beside 3 statements that support the main idea. So you would have to make sure that there are 3 check marks along here so that you will get full credit, okay? All right, let's get started with this passage. Test taking tips. It is important to practice and use good test taking tips. Each person prepares for tests differently, but there are some common strategies we can all use. Getting a good night of sleep the night before a test can help you feel alert and prepared. It will also help you to get up early enough to prepare yourself for the day. Eating a good breakfast with protein and fiber like eggs, yogurt, and toast will keep you from getting hungry. It will also help keep your brain awake. Before the test, make sure you have everything you need: scratch paper, extra pencils, and your calculator if you're allowed to use it. Ask questions if you don't understand the directions. During the test, manage your time. Scan through the tests quickly before starting. If you get stuck on a question, don't worry or get frustrated. Move on, but be sure to come back to it later. Last, be neat. For machine-scored tests, fill in the space carefully and erase any stray marks on your answer sheet. Follow these tips and you'll be a successful test taker in no time. The question was, which of the following best identifies the main idea of this passage? Would it be for a machine-scored test, fill in the space carefully and erase any stray marks on your answer sheet? It will also keep your brain awake. Or it's important to practice and use good test-taking tips. So you're going to go back to the passage if you need to reread it, and then choose one of these as your answer. All right, the next question says, place a check mark beside 3 statements that support the main idea. So you'll need 3 check marks here. So put a check mark beside 3 of these. Let me read them. Getting a good night of sleep the night before a test can help you feel alert and prepared. It will also help you get up early. It will also help you get up early enough to prepare yourself for the day. Eating a good breakfast with protein and fiber like eggs, yogurt, and toast will help you from getting hungry. Follow these tips and you'll be a successful test taker in no time. Ask questions if you don't understand the directions. That's it for this assignment. I hope that you enjoy it, and remember to make sure that you mark it appropriately. Thanks, guys. Have a great day. Ask us if you have any questions.